Topic is 7th chapter definite integration. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 9. This last part completed end-pointed problems 7 marks. Today also be explained some unexpected 7 marks problems by using substitution method. What is that problem? Here problem number 17. What is that problem? Integral 0 to 1 sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. This one is the problem. In this problem, you can use substitution method. What is which method? Substitution method. Not one point. You can use substitution method. Which one is changed? Function changed and limits also be changed. After that, here put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to what? Here x is equal to tan theta. After that, derivative of x is dx is equal to tan theta derivative is secant square theta into d theta. Understood or not, students? X is equal to tan theta, derivative of x is dx, tan theta derivative is secant square theta into theta derivative is d theta. Here function, in this function we can write x value is tan theta, dx value is secant square theta. Here what is the limits? What is the limit? What about the limits? Limits also be changed. That's why you can write post upper limit. Upper limit x is equal to 1. Upper limit x is equal to 1. You can write 1 is equal to tan theta. Tan which value you can write 1? Tan 45. Nothing but pi by 4 radians. Tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4 radians. Tan get cancelled. Theta value is pi by 4. After that, lower limit. Lower limit is what here? Lower limit is x value is 0. You can write x value is 0. 0 is equal to tan theta. Tan which value we can write 0? Tan 0. Nothing but 0. That's why tan theta is equal to tan 0. Tan get cancelled. Theta value is 0. Here in this equation, suppose this is 1. In this from 1, you can write x value is tan theta. Dx value is secant square theta d theta. Upper limit is pi by 4. Lower limit is 0. Substituted from 1. 1 implies integral. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 0. What is the upper limit? Upper limit is pi by 4. Next, sine inverse of 2 into x value is tan theta by 1 plus x square value nothing but tan square theta into dx value is what here? Here you can write x value is tan theta. Okay, x value is tan theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is the value of dx? Dx value is secant square d theta. Secant square theta into d theta. After that, you know that this value 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, formula is there, sine 2 theta. That's why here integral 0 to pi by 4 sine inverse of sine 2 theta into secant square theta into d theta. Correct or not, students? Here sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta nothing but sine 2 theta into secant square theta into d theta. Here sine inverse both are cancelled. Remaining what, students? Integral 0 to pi by 4 2 theta into secant square theta into d theta. 2 theta into secant square theta into d theta. Here sine inverse sine get cancelled. You get here 2 theta. Here also be secant square theta is there. Here d theta is there. Here which one is constant? Here 2 is constant. 2 can be common. Integral 0 to pi by 4 theta into secant square theta d theta. Here observe that, students. Here function total in terms of theta. Correct or not, students? Here theta is algebraic function, secant square theta is trigonometric function. Here you can use integration by parts method. What is the integration by parts method? Integral u v dx is equal to u into integral v dx minus integral derivative of u into integral v dx whole dx plus c. This is a formula of integration by parts method. In this integration by parts method, you can use product of two functions. Here also be product of two functions is there by using islet. In this islet, first algebraic function, after that trigonometry. That's why you can write theta value is u, secant square theta trigonometry function is v. You can write this formula 2 into u nothing but theta into integral 0 to pi by 4 secant square theta d theta minus integral derivative of nothing but d by d theta. Here function in terms of x you can write d by dx and dx. Function in terms of theta you can write d by d theta into u value is theta into integral you can write limit 0 to pi by 4. Here also be 0 to pi by 4. V value is secant square theta into d theta whole d theta. Understood or not, students? In this formula you can write u value is theta, v value is secant square theta substituted in this integration by parts method. Already explained 2 marks problem in this definite integration exercise 4b previous parts. See that parts you get easily understood in this problem. After that 2 into theta into what is the integration of secant square theta? Secant square theta integration is tan theta. What is the limits here? Limit 0 to pi by 4 minus integral 0 to pi by 4. Here secant square theta integration is tan theta. Limit is 0 to pi by 4. Here limit you can write total function. This is very important, very useful. Okay students, this secant square theta integration is tan theta. You can write limits these two functions minus integral 0 to pi by 4. Derivative of theta is 1. What is the integration of secant square theta? Secant square theta integration is tan theta. You cannot write limits here. Why? Because you cannot write limits here. Here this is function. Once again you can integration, after that you can write limits. Okay students, next you can write next step is what is the previous step? 2 into theta minus tan theta 0 to pi by 4 limits minus integral 0 to pi by 4 1 into tan theta into d theta. Next step is 2 into you can write first of all upper limit is pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 minus lower limit 0 into tan 0. Understood? 2 into first we can write upper limit theta value is pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 minus theta value is 0 into tan 0. After that 2 into minus 1 nothing but minus 2 integral 0 to pi by 4 1 into tan theta how much? 1 into tan theta nothing but tan theta into d theta. After that you can write 2 into pi by 4 into tan 45. Tan pi by 4 nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1 minus 0 into tan 0 value also be 0. 0 into 0 you get 0 minus 2 into tan theta integration. What is the integration of tan x? This formula explained integration chapter. Very important. This formula also be using substitution method. Integration of tan x is integration of tan x. See students, integration of tan x is log of mod of secant x plus c. This is the integration of tan x. You can write this formula log of secant theta. You can write limits 0 to pi by 4. Understood or not students? Here in place of x you can write x, in place of theta you can write theta. After that 2 into pi by 4 into 1, nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus 0 value also be pi by 4 minus 2 into, you can write here limit log of secant theta value is upper limit pi by 4 minus log of secant theta value is 0. Correct or not, students? First you can write upper limit minus you can write lower limit. In place of theta you can write pi by 4. In place of theta you can write 0. After that 2 1s are 2s are pi by 2 minus 2 into log of secant 45. Pi by 4 nothing but 45 degree. Secant 45 how much? Secant 45 is root 2. Correct or not, students? Minus log of secant 0 value is 1. Secant 0 how much? 1. That's why next step is pi by 2 minus 2 into log of this square root of 2. You can write 2 power 1 by 2. Minus log 1 value is 0. Log 1 value is 0. This square root of 2. Square root nothing but whole power 1 by 2. That's why you can write square root of 2 is 2 power 1 by 2. Next one is what? Pi by 2 minus 2 into, here this is log a whole power m formula is there. Log a whole power m formula is what? M into log a. M value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into log a. A value is 2. 2 get cancelled. You get what? Pi by 2 minus log 2. Minus of log 2 value is pi by 2 minus log 2 base e. This is the value of integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx value is pi by 2 minus log 2 base e. Okay, student, understood or not? Here how many methods are used? Here substitution method used in this problem and integration by parts method also be used. This is unexpected 7 marks problem in IP examination. Sometimes this problem coming to the 4 marks